Hello guys, good afternoon. I'm back. Now I'm going to show you, or we will do my bag rate, my working bag every day, Monday to Friday, what I bring to work. Okay, let's begin. Okay, this is my bag. It's very grand, right? It's very big bag. Okay, this is from Jansport, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's another one here. Okay, let's begin. Okay, let's begin in the small pocket here. Small pocket, okay? It's my key for the house. My card. My sanitizer. What's this? This is the holy water. And oh, what's this? It's my white flour. And candy. There's some candy here. Yeah, some candy like that in my small pocket. My holy water, my hand sanitizer, my key, my card holder, and next to second, look, this is from Philippines, my pangharabas comb, because I like this, it's very, maybe 10 years with me. Yeah, this from made in Philippines. Look, and next is my another spray hand sanitizer, another candies everywhere, my power bank, always my power bank with me, and wait, put back so that don't mess up my bag. Next is this is my necklace. I always with me because I want to fix this one because the look don't have you here, so I'm finding a store to fix this. I always with me, but until now not yet fixed. And what else? Oh no. This is my headset. Okay, this is my but I don't always use, my AirPod. Okay, this one, my headset in case of blow out my AirPod, the thing, and then I put that in one place together with this, right, and this in one place, and it's done for the first. For the second, and next to the third one. Oh my god. Okay, this first. This is my. We open. It's all my for my hair. Like that. Also, many I always with me because sometimes broken, so I have extra. From the last time I have long hair, now I have short hair, so I need the clip. Okay, this is for first one. Next is my headband, always with me in case I like to wear headband. This one is a pouch for my clips because I have short hair now. I have this. Look, my friend gave me this. It's from Cologne Spray. And this one, all my clips for hairs. And then next is my sunglasses, because in case I have my sunglasses. Okay, next is the other pouch. What's inside? It's all is for if mosquito bite me. I put this one, and some for medicine for in case anti-grippy like that, and then another hand sanitizer from New Skin, my lip balm, and this is my rosary. Also, this is from Philippines. The old woman gave me this in the church. I don't know that old woman in the church. She said she's the mother of the director Diogo, like that. She said to me, but I don't know her. She gave it to me directly. This one is 2 for, she said, you give to your future husband, the other one, and then this one is for me. Always with me. And then I have my Laurel with me. You know, Laurel? Yes, this is good. Another green oil. Okay, and then as Cologne Spray. And this one. Sometimes in my nails, I do like shh, right? And that's it for this. Another lip balm, because it's very dry in Portugal. It's very free. And I have Band-Aid with me. Yeah, that's in my pouch. Okay, next is my small wallet. I have my wallet like that. That's my wallet, a small wallet, because I have many wallets. It's my wallet. And next wallet is this one. It's the pink wallet. This is for the big bills. Okay, like that. Okay, next is this one. Is my coin purse. In my coin purse, you will see what's in my coin purse. Yeah, I have this. Why I don't steal that one, you know. I like this in my wallet. Okay, and in my wallet I have, okay, you know this. I have this in my wallet always. This is lucky, yeah, dahon ng laurel or bay leaves. And then I have, what's this? This ahos. This is bawang. This is cebola. Cebola no. Alio. Okay. So it's alio. Yeah, this is for the lucky, and I have coins in wallet, of course. And then I have magnet also in my wallet. In my wallet, I have also always magnet. Yeah. And then I have, yeah, like that. On coins. And this is my coin first, right? Okay. Next is, I have many things in my wallet. I have this wallet. It's another wallet, you know, but in this wallet I have my passport, all the papers for this one. I have my passport here. This one is my passport, my IDs, old IDs, and this is papers for in case someone. I have my declaration paper for my work, my contract, everything here inside my bag. This is very important. And some pictures of my family I put here. Always with me going to work, and always with me. Even it's very heavy my bag, I always bring because it's important. Okay, next is another passport holder. My old passport here, so I always bring with me. Always bring with me. I haven't go to work like that. That's why I have a very big bag and heavy. Next is this pouch. You know what's inside it. Yeah, this is my sunblock. My all the, you know what's this for the woman, and everything here. My tissue, And then I have some burrito can opener. I have like this in here in case, and I have here the lock for my bag. It's here. All my things is for. And next, another one. It's here. And you know what's inside here? It's old monies. It's here. Different countries. Yeah. It's a souvenir. Okay. Next is this one. Because in case I tie my leg that or I have this in my bag. Okay, that's in the third bucket. So we will put back this one. It's very arranged in my bag. I don't like messy bag. It's all in the pouch. It's all. And then this one, my sunglasses, for the hair, my pouch inside, my headband. Yeah, that's right. I have a lot. And then my hair, my brush, my comb is in here because our messy hair. This is next one. So I have here. This pouch again. Here I have all my mask. Here I have tissues. I have my hand hand lotion. Another mask. Yeah, because if in case our mask will get dirty, I have now these days we need this mask and sanitizer here. Okay, next is this is the pouch. Next I have my umbrella. Always with me, my umbrella, because we need umbrella, you know, if there's rain. And then and then beside the umbrella I have my raincoat. Yeah, it's my raincoat always with me. Even summer, winter, like that, always in my bag. Like that. This is my raincoat. Always with me. And this one is my if I buy something, I don't have space in my bag, I have this like that. I have another bag to put inside. I buy something in that, so I have extra bag, right? If in case I don't have space in my bag, like that, right? So we need ears. That's all in my bag, and then put inside the small pocket. So that, yes, and you will surprise what's this. And another bay leaves and a teaspoon. They said because it's lucky in your bag. Yeah, this one is, yeah, always with me like this. It's a lucky things. Okay, it's always in my bag, in my pocket. Yeah, but I don't steal that in the cafe. Okay. Yeah, and this one is, well, the last one. Put inside, arrange, and this one in my umbrella, and this all. And then this next one is there's alcohol on the side, and you know I have allergy. This one, I have allergy in the dust, pollens, and if very humid, so I have a spray for my nose or my nose. And I have candies always with me, and like that. Oh, finished, guys. That's my bag. All this is very heavy, only for that. And then I put something food there before I go to work. But now I don't go to work because it's my rest day. Yeah, but this is always with me every day. I bring that every day, even it's heavy, but I bring this every day to my work, you know. Yeah, it's heavy, but it's all inside. I'm safe inside. Yeah. But I put here the water here beside my coffee or a tea or a water, put here, and inside my something to eat, you know. But now I don't put because I don't go to work. Only this one every day. This is my bag for working. But in every Saturday Sunday it's different bag when you go out like that. The next video I will do my unboxing for my pangharabas bag. This one is for my working bag. Always with me. Okay guys, thank you guys. That's my bag for my working. Usually carries it's very heavy, but it's okay. I inspired to go to work every day because I love my work. I love my bosses. Yeah, and guys, thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you like to share, it's a good. And if you want to comment or to suggest what do you want. Now guys, I am in vacation in my rest in my rest days, and I do this, and I can do some videos for you guys. Thank you very much for watching, huh? And then please take good care, and don't forget to wash hands or sanitize and wear mask and enjoy life, guys. And take it easy, okay? Don't make it seriously because we don't know what tomorrow comes, right? And be humble. Don't think that we are better than anyone, okay? We are all equal, okay? Whatever level in life, but we are all equal, okay? Don't forget that. My teeth, guys, is look here, but it's okay, guys. Thank you. I miss you all. Yeah, I'm getting fat, right? But it's okay. Now, thank you very much. I will end this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I miss you. I miss you, guys. I'm not active in YouTube for how many months because I'm very busy. But I tried to upload some videos if I have time. You know, I'm monetized. I don't like YouTube will get angry to me because I don't upload videos. You know, they monetize my channel, but I don't active. But I tried to upload videos. I don't to active my account, you know, but I don't think of the how much I earn with the YouTube. But I don't think of that. I will only upload as my because I'm happy sharing you like that. Okay, thank you very much. Bye guys. Bye.